Hi, this is Itiar from Beamster International, and in this video, you will learn how to design processes with Ensemble.
Let's get started.
I have already opened this hiring process, and I will be showing you how it was designed. Whenever we want to create a new process, we have to go to the System Definitions tab and then to the Process Management section. Apart from creating the process itself, there are other things that we have to consider when designing a new process. For example, we need to have access to our resources, to the organizational units, and also we need to know the competencies of our employees. By clicking on the process steps types, we can define all the different types of steps that we would like to use when designing a process. If we're talking about the process itself and it is considered to be a main process, we can decide the shape we will assign to it. On the other hand, if we are talking about a process step, we could have assigned a circle to the start or end steps. I'm going to go to the processes section now to show you the hiring process example again. The process details icon takes us to the process attributes. We can see the code, the name, the type, the parent process, or we can add goals or the scope. There are many different tabs we can access on the left side. For example, the Process Steps tab shows the 5 steps this process is composed of. The Related Units tab shows who is involved in this process, and as you can see, Ensemble allows us to enter information about indicators, resources, risks, opportunities, customers or suppliers, and many more. If we wish to edit the process, we have to go to the Model area. This is where we design the processes. We can see that this process in particular is divided in 3 sections, according to the 3 positions involved: the candidate, the HR department, and the manager in question. We see that the process starts with a job application that can lead to a pre-assessment control, which can later take us to a first interview with the HR department, another one with the manager, and finally can lead to a new job. We can obviously be rejected at any time and end up at the very beginning. The palette on the right side is where we choose the different types of steps from, and we are already familiar with the top section of the editor. First, we have the file controls, then the clipboard, the font area, the zoom-in options, and then the tools area. This is where we can add the vertical columns to divide the process. If we wanted to add one more column, all we would have to do is right-click on the last one, and that will do it. There is also a section to align and arrange the elements, the layout options, and finally the diagram area. The connections you see between process steps also have to be defined in advance. Whether you want to approve, reject, or send a message, you have to add the flow types here. One more thing we could do is link a process step to a document, and to do that we would have to arrange the document section too. As you can see, there are different things we have to consider before we can design a process, and I hope this video served as an overview of this module.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
If you want to learn more about Ensemble, make sure to watch this next video about the Performance Management module.